Fly-MiniAB board. It is suitable for 36mm and 42mm motors. This is a simple tool-head terminal board. You can connect all the wires of the hot end part to this board and connect to the motherboard through a unified wire. It is more convenient when you need to replace the electronic parts of the hot end. For example, you need to replace the heating tube only needs to be operated at the hot end position, and it is more convenient to operate without changing the wires connected to the main board.